Hey, so you've made it to the last part of our class. We're getting really close to being done. So I just wanted to touch on a few more tools you can take with you before we start our meditation. So if you are going to be joining with us for the meditation and you have your oils, I would go grab some frankincense from your starter kit, or you can use some citrus fresh or raven. Like I said, other oils are ginger, patchouli, cedarwood, cinnamon, or any one of those emotional oils that we were talking about before, if you're working with a specific emotion around your sacral chakra. Some other tools before we start our meditation that you can use to clear energy. Acupuncture, we already covered massage, journaling, the power of our words are so powerful. Reflexology, sound healing, sound bowls, drumming, all of that, like I sometimes take my hand drum and just really drum around my body to clear out my energy. Dancing music, that's all sound healing. Stretching, some crystals that people use for energy healing for your sacral chakra are tiger's eye, yellow calcite, yellow or golden calcite, carnelian, citrine. You can even use salt rocks. Yoga is amazing at really aligning those chakras. Salt and Epsom baths, you can add oils into that or crystals. Like I said, meditation, one of the most powerful ways that you can clear your body. It's amazing what our minds can do. And meditation is free. So that is one tool that you can always go to and what most people use for energy healing. Going into our meditation next, like I said, I'm going to be using frankincense. One of the reasons why I love this oil is that it is so mothering to me. It reminds me of Mother Mary, and it reminds me of the sacred womb and how we keep birthing ourselves through whatever hardships or things that we're going through. Frankincense is such a motherly oil, and with Young Living, it's like sustainably harvest. This is an endangered species, and it is one of the most sacred oils on the planet, and Young Living is working to just really make it part of our future. They are carrying the DNA of the world, and frankincense is one of those beautiful plant angels that they are really loving and procuring for us and keeping that within our children's and grandchildren's and generations' hands and access to healing with it. So frankincense, I'm going to take this into my hands. She's so beautiful. I'm going to take that. You can kind of rub it. Some people rub it in like a circular clockwise manner. And this is what's called a scent tent. You can place it right over your nose. Inhale. Really invite that frankincense to go into your body. Invite her to breathe her all the way into your womb. You can then take that oil and reach into your pants and really place that on your womb, place it on your sacrum, rub it on your hips, and really start to breathe. I want you to close your eyes and really envision divine light shining down from the universe, down through the stars and the sky, right through into the roof of your home or wherever you are. As that beautiful divine light starts to shine down and shower onto your head and permeate and soak through your hair and into your ears. Breathing and soaking into your neck and your shoulders, into your chest and rib cage and heart and lungs. As that light soaks into your belly and your organs. As it lovingly meets that sacral area right into your hips. Breathe that light in. As it soaks through into your sacral chakra, I want you to envision it going deeper down into your root, into your legs, into your feet. As you are just being showered and submerged and bathed and held and supported in that divine light. As it soaks into Mama Earth, as she connects and grounds into your energy, where the universe up above, Mother Earth below, and you in the very center being held. As you breathe in, you breathe out any of that emotional tension and baggage and memories and things you've been holding on to. Imagine breathing in and allowing that divine light to wash away and send all that emotional baggage into Mother Earth, where she will take it from you and recycle it for you and bury it for you into her beautiful soil where new life can sprout. As you breathe in, releasing all of that you've been carrying. Maybe even place your hands on your belly, on that sacral area. Imagine your hands are powerful healing lights. And I just want you to even just rub your hands like they're lights, like they have soap on them. And I want you to rub all of that lower back area that we just worked on trying to release. And imagine that orange light we were talking about getting more vibrant and brighter and more alive, and the vibration of it being more pure and higher as you release all of that that no longer serves you. As you breathe in and out. And listen to these words, powerful words again. Let them be within your soul and your body and your spirit. Claim them, dear sister. I call back my power. I am whole. I am resilient. I can heal myself. I am safe. I am the leader of my own life. No one has power over me. The universe holds me. My angels hold me. My ancestors hold me. Mother Earth holds me. My perseverant soul holds me as I am valuable. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am a precious soul. I am worthy of love. I am loved. I am safe. I am open to receive. I am my own source of love and acceptance. I can trust again and again. I can also trust my own intuition. She will guide me. She will keep me safe. She will tell me of any dangers or paths that I should not follow. I can trust my own intuition. I can trust my gut instincts. My inner goddess is strong. My inner woman knows the way. My inner woman can create the life that my heart is telling me to go and do and be. I can trust the universe. I can trust my body. I am finding my many purposes, and the universe is guiding me to all that I love, all of my gifts, all of the things that I'm meant to do, all that I am. All that I am, I give love to. I will listen and honor and hold and express. Heal, release, empower. As I am worthy of all goodness and abundance and relationships and creativity and everything I mother, I allow blessings and love and healing and magic to come and bless. So you breathe in, and breathe out. Imagine the universe just loving and witnessing you exactly where you are. All this soul work that you've been doing is so being held, sweet sister. Breathe in and breathe out. Move your body. Start coming back into your body. You can roll your shoulders back. Kind of move those hips around, your toes, your hands. As you breathe in and out. Coming back into this space. Take all the time you need, and I'll join you for our last video. Love you, sister.